The first thing we're going to do is open the Explain Everything app. So it's blue with the white light bulb. And we're going to create a new application, a new video. So we're going to hit the plus sign. And I personally like black as the background. You don't pay attention to any of those colors because we can adjust that. So what we're going to do is we're first going to learn how to save. So if you look in the bottom right hand corner, that's the home button. We want to save. I think it looks like a little disc, so that's what we're going to click. And then we're going to type in the project name. So we're going to say measuring mass. And then you probably want to put the names of your teammates. Okay, so let's hit save. Alright, so our work is saved. So every once in a while we want to hit that little disc again. So the first thing we're going to do is add text. So we're going to hit the A because A is a letter, which is an example of text. And we're going to click anywhere on the screen. So if you look to the left of this blue, you see the letter A, which just means I can keep clicking that and making it bigger, or I can literally just click on the numbers and drag it. Let's go to 75. That's a title. Let's make it big. Alright, and I can hit little a if I want to make it smaller. I can even change the font if I would like, but you know what? I like Arial a lot, so we're keeping it just the way it is. Okay, so I'm going to type in how to measure mass, and since it's a title, I'm going to make sure I have capitals. So if you notice, I can still edit this text because I have a green dot and a blue dot. So if I want to change how this is aligned, I can drag this blue dot, and I can put everything above each other. If I want to edit that, like center it, because it's not centered right now, I'm going to tap on the letters, double tap. And I'm going to then go to the center. Okay. If I want to make everything bold, I'm going to tap once, and I'm going to hit select all, and then I can make it all bold. Okay. I can also change the color of my font. So if I go to this bottom left, I have the choices of white, pink, blue. Don't pay attention to any of those because you can change them. So I personally like white, but let's just change the color to, I don't even like pink, so I know this shocks everybody. Let's make it bright green. Okay? And then I tap away when I'm happy with it. And if I want to get rid of the green dot and blue dot, I just tap away. So then I might want to tell me who this is by. So I want who it's by a lot smaller because that's not the focus of that. So I might say by, and here's where you need to pay attention. We don't put we don't put our last names. So I'm just gonna put by Mrs. K, and you might just say by Laura or by Nikki. Okay, we don't put our last names. And then I'm going to hit the keyboard down. Alright, I'm going to make that text box small, and I'm just going to put it down below. And then remember, every once in a while we're going to hit that little disc in the bottom right hand corner to save our work. And I'm going to hit save, and yes, I want it to replace it. So that is how I add and edit text.